Hello and welcome to a viewing with Crofts. Today we're viewing 118 Cooper Road. Now as you can see, if I take you through the streets here, a really nice, quiet residential area. It's a mid-terrace property. Let's have a look inside the property. So on entering, you can see a nice little hallway with two reception rooms. So let's go into the first reception room. Fireplace. Nice and cleanly decorated throughout. Into the second living space. Once again, offering a fireplace there. Understairs storage area there, very neutrally done, fashionable colours. Let's wander into the kitchen. From here, nice neat kitchen. Downstairs into the toilet space there, and from the toilet space we go outside into the garden here. Very low maintenance, really quite spacious here, and a nice little sun trap. So let's wander back through the property and take a glimpse as we've wandered through, and then we'll tour upstairs to see if this property appeals to you. Into the first front bedroom, grey carpet, cream walls, storage in the corner, nice and spacious and bright. Over the landing, into another spacious second bedroom here, and wandering through, you have a bath and a basin, and then the third bedroom. So if you could see yourselves living in this property or investing in this property and would like to view, please call Crofts on 01472 200 666 and we'll gladly arrange a viewing for you. Thank you. Bye.